And we're back to learning CapCut in the year day 81. Let me show you how you can add a stroke to text. Under text, add text, you can add a default text by clicking on the plus sign. Make sure that it's active in the timeline. If it isn't, left click on it. And then you should see text basic on the top right. You can scroll down and the stroke should be right here under the blend. When you activate the box, it should automatically open a drop down, and here you can adjust the thickness, which is then simply the stroke weight. And if you click on the color swatch, you can adjust the color. Top right is always the color that you select right here in the slider. Bottom left is always black and top left is always white. You can also left click here on the eyedropper tool and then sample a color from the preview window. And obviously you want to do that for aesthetic reasons sometimes, but it also makes sense here and there to add that because it adds more contrast to your text and makes the readability a little bit better. And this I can add a stroke to text in CapCut. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.